My name is Fred Brown, and I am the Director of Automotive Programs here at Ames Community College, which includes the Automotive Service Program. We're looking for students who are looking to grow in a career field that has limitless possibilities. We want to take your passion for automotive service and turn it into a career. Whether that career is to work for someone else or to start your own business, we want to provide you what you're going to need to be successful in that career. In addition to your Ames degree and certificates, you're going to receive a number of industry-backed third-party certifications that employers are looking for in the industry. These certificates are going to lead you to a truly marketable portfolio of skills and technical sets that you're going to be able to apply. One of the real highlights of automotive education here at Ames Community College is the class sizes. I am a firm believer in quality education, small class sizes, and a personalized feel. One of the greatest areas of emphasis in our program is computerization and electronics, which is the heart of today's automobile. Our simulator lab is an entire vehicle, everything electrical, sitting on a tabletop. The advantage of this high-tech equipment is that our instructors are able to create faults that occur in all of the components that a student will be working on. People come to us to gain the technical tools that they need to succeed in the industry, but we also provide them with the actual physical hand tools that they're going to need. When you graduate from Ames Community College, you leave here with over $7,000 worth of Snap-on tools that you roll into your job day one. All of our instructors here at the Ames Community College Automotive Service Program have succeeded within the industry. They know what it takes and what students need to know to become great employees. One of the unique things about our program is that our students are employable after their first year of classes. By allowing that ability to have a job during the first year, that is a progression into their full-time employment. In fact, the majority of our students remain with that employer upon graduation. So if you're interested in a career in automotive service technology, you owe it to yourself to come and experience what we have here at Ames. It is an amazing facility, and you'll be blown away.